When I'm stuck for blog ideas, I rely on this ChatGPT prompt to generate 20 current and relevant post ideas. These ideas help me keep my blog page fresh, attracting and retaining both current and potential website visitors. Here is the prompt. Craft 20 thought-provoking blog post ideas for business that challenge traditional approaches in industry. These posts should highlight our unique selling proposition, USP, as an innovative solution to our target audience's problem. Now, simply replace the bracketed areas with details about your business. Let's see this prompt in action. I am going to update the prompt for gardening industry. So the business becomes greenhouse business, industry becomes horticulture and sustainable growing, USP becomes energy-efficient greenhouse systems, target audience becomes 30 to 45-year-old millennials, and problem becomes rising operational costs and limited crop yields. Wow, look at that. ChatGPT is creating blog topics that encourage throwing out inefficiency and accept innovation. Remind us that energy-efficient systems are the future and not just a trend. Encourages lower operational costs while increasing yields and profit margins. Accepts sustainability as a competitive edge and not a limitation. And remind us that younger demography of growers want smarter, scalable solutions that align with their ethos. Now go ahead and create excellent articles based on these topics and see your business website traffic grow. If you like this video, check out my next video where I talk about how to create excellent Amazon product descriptions that convert your Amazon business profile visitor to a buyer. I will see you there.